Hello everyone, and welcome to Learn English with Stories. Today, we have a famous fable called The Ant and the Grasshopper. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and improve your English step by step. One summer day, a grasshopper was singing happily. He saw an ant carrying food to her nest. The grasshopper said, "Why are you working so hard? Come and sing with me." The ant replied, "I am saving food for winter. You should do the same." The grasshopper laughed and continued singing. When winter came, the grasshopper had no food. He was cold and hungry. The grasshopper went to the ant's house. He said, "Please, can you give me some food?" The ant replied, "In summer, I worked hard. You only sang. Now, I have food, and you do not." The grasshopper was very sad. He learned it is important to prepare for the future. Let's learn some useful words. Grasshopper, a green insect that jumps and sings. Ant, a small insect that works very hard. Nest, the ant's home. Prepare, to get ready for something. Repeat after me. Grasshopper, ant, nest, prepare. Now, repeat these sentences. I am saving food for winter. Why are you working so hard? You should do the same. Please, can you give me some food? Great job! The moral of the story is, always be prepared. If you work hard today, you will be safe tomorrow. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.